Driver Squad, what's going on? YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Chase right back with another video. And as you can tell in this video, this is like a beginner truck driver tips. Things that you can already have, or just some things that you can purchase if you don't know what to purchase. Since you're about to become a truck driver, or you are already a truck driver and you're watching this video and you really don't know what to buy, I'm about to help you out on some key things that you can buy and some key things that you can already have before you apply for a job. And the company, even though they gonna supply you some other things that you might need for yourself that they're not gonna tell you to get. You get what I mean? But anyway, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click the subscribe button. Go and give this video a big thumbs up, and let me go and get into the video. So here we go. All right, first thing first, we're gonna start out with yourself. What are some things that you can already have on your own before you apply and all that? You gotta work on yourself. So what you really need, I'm pretty sure you already passed the point of you already got your license, you applied for the job, and some companies, they might not inform you all the way, but they will. But let me just say, you're gonna need your ID, and you're gonna need your medical card. These always got to be together at all times, especially when you're operating a truck. You're gonna always need these two together no matter what. And something else that you're gonna need a safety vest. Now, companies will allow you, well, I mean, not allow you, they would give you a safety vest. But if you don't really like it, it is what it is. You only got two colors to choose from anyway. Gloves. You're gonna find yourself buying more than one glove. You're gonna have safety gloves for when you're working or driving. Then you also gonna have working gloves. And what I mean by that is, with the truck, this can go vice versa. Safety gloves can go on the outside of the truck, or you can use your working gloves for the outside. It all depends on your preference. Another thing, you're gonna need a pocket knife. Just for if you're gonna be moving pallets or touching anything, or just to cut some plastic or something like that, you're gonna need a pocket knife. To operate a truck, I know for Snyder, you can't have anything longer than a 4-inch. So make sure it's less than 4 inches of a blade, and you're gonna need a flashlight. I'm trying to remember, you're gonna need a flashlight. And let me make sure. Oh, and then including with having your ID, you definitely gonna need to make sure you got your physical. Let me see. On top of also with having your ID, you gonna need and that's really all the things that you have to. And that's all the things that you really gonna need to have. Just something simple. Even if you don't even have your truck, this is all the things that you're gonna need to keep with you. Alright, so we're gonna move on to some items that you can have in your truck. So what they like to call it is in-cab, well known in the truck. So and they call it in cab, in the truck, same thing. Make sure whatever the company rules are, just follow them. If you're not allowed to have something, so be it. I mean, you can do what you can. That's you. You live your life, but just try to follow the rules. Buy some cleaning wipes. Buy some cleaning wipes. Also with that, make sure you buy some paper towels. On top of that, you will need a refrigerator, but you can buy a cooler. And I have two. I have a small one and I have a large one, just for like to put my fruit and stuff like that in. Check out that video. I will post that down below. I keep all in my truck. So I've been doing this, man. I've been doing this since I've been doing it for a year. That's the only reason why I'm making this video. What's another thing? Dang. Oh. So when it comes to sleeping, go to your favorite department store and make sure you buy a protective. What is it? A protective twin size. A protective twin size fitted sheet. I gave it a fitted sheet. And then when you gotta take showers, also keep a small duffel. And all these things can fit in your truck, because you got two twin size bunk beds. You got one for the bottom, one for the top. Hand sanitizer. That's gonna come clutch. I'm not sure hand sanitizer. No, I don't. But we're gonna say Germ-X. I do know it's spelled Germ-X. Germ-X. See, but it is what it is, though. And along with the Germ-X, that can go into the small duffel and help y'all out. But you got your truck and you got your end cab. But let me speak some more about the end cab. Just follow the rules. Basically, that's all you have to do. It's really not that hard. I know you might be discouraged that you're not with your family and you're in there by yourself. Even though you had all that training and you still new, you also got to remember that you got to keep yourself safe at all times, because you the biggest truck out there. You the biggest motor vehicle. You're a professional driver now. You in with the game. You got your Class A, Class B. You with the professional driver. You is labeled. They labeled you a professional driver. And if you got your Class D license, a regular driver license, you a professional driver too. Cause guess what? If truck driver's not around and it's nothing but cars, y'all gotta remain safe at all times. You gotta watch others and you gotta keep your space safe. So if you see someone giving another car distance, let them breathe. If somebody behind you have road rage, you gotta give them the benefit of the doubt all the time. Simply because, yeah, there are aggressive drivers, but don't always be aggressive where you cause yourself harm and others around you harm. And that's something that, if you don't really have patience and you really don't like driving, try to not drive so much so you won't irritate yourself while you're driving. It only makes sense if you enjoy driving, if you have patience and you don't mind waiting, and you don't mind just going with the flow in the order of the traffic. If it's heavy, be patient. If it's light and you got free wiggle room, I mean, hey, go have a blast. But I just want to say, just relax. It's not that complicated that everyone makes it seem of driving trucks. The only tough part really about driving trucks, since I have noticed, it's like when you in an area when your GPS system is not working. Oh, if the company requests you buy a GPS, and if they already have a GPS system in their thing and they truck already in cab, my suggestion would be make sure it works properly, and if it don't work properly, then you go invest in the GPS. So I guess we can put GPS right here. Oh boy. You can probably buy a GPS, but I know for me, when I was in Virginia, even though my GPS did run out and I kind of panicked a little bit, but I at least stayed up with my directions, and I have the little road map, so I kind of knew what I had going on. The company should teach you on how to do the road map, but I think I'm gonna do that in another video. I'm gonna show you how to read the road map and how to read the roads. So that's all I got for y'all. I hope this helped. I think I gave y'all some valuable information, but if I did, make sure you comment down below. If I did, give this video a like, just to know that I see that I helped a little bit. You feel me? Something that y'all can start doing while being a driver, and y'all see another truck driver trying to get over, you can flash your bright lights to let them know that they can get over instead of just waiting for them to move over. Just flash your, I'm gonna teach y'all some driver etiquette, man. Just wait. But that's just gonna be the tip for today's video, and I'll see y'all in another video. Chase Way out. Peace.